Hello mga loves! Welcome dito sa aking channel. For today's video, you can see that it's a beautiful view of falls. So, today, let's tour the breathtaking Niagara Falls of the Philippines, the Tinoyan Falls of Surigao del Sur. So let's go and enjoy. Welcome to Tinoyan. I love the sound of the water, diba? So, doon kayo mag-park, guys. Doon din kayo daan. Tapos, ito na ang entrance. We're going to the entrance. And of course, there's an entrance fee for the maintenance of the place. This is the yan ang entrance fee nila, guys. Regular senior citizen fees of tents nila, tables, cottages. So, ayan, nakalagay yung mga prices. So, for today's video, mag-ikot-ikot lang tayo dito, maglibod-libod ra, mag-explore ra. So, we don't need a table or a cottage because we don't have any food also. Magtanaw-tanaw ra kita. So, okay na ang entrance fee na 55. So, yun. So, this is located at Bislig, Surigao del Sur. So, Tinoyan Falls. Tinoyan means tuyo, means drip drip. Drip drip. But that is. So, yan. Most important thing in the world is family and me. Kidding aside. So, yan. Mag-walk lang tayo. But even from here, you can hear already. Maririnig nyo na, guys, ang sounds ng falls. The dripping water of the falls. You can hear already because it's super loud. So, ayan. Looks like hindi masyadong maraming tao today. Not so crowded for today's video. So, that is very good. May foods din sila if you want to buy. They can also, they really have a food you can order to them. They can cook for you. They have short orders food if you don't have any baon. Kung wala kayong dalang pagkain, pwede kayong mag-order.
Ay, mo. Tepilay ni. Unsa na kay para bay ako hamak dayahan. Mag-video ano ito. Sige, ini kay ganahan sa iyo. Ay, dyan na ilang mga A-house. Tagpila na nila mga A-house. Daw mga iton. Ano close? Kaya man.
Kaya murawa na balik pa diha ang mga katri.
So, yun. Ang night.
Oo. Pag magdagdag 100
Per head.
pag ni ma'am aircon yan.
Naki-close man ka ha.
Di ba pinturahan ang payan ma'am? Hindi di pa manila tabutan ng aircon.
Pero kuan siya magkano? Tak. Lahat cottages. Mahirap kita sa isa. Available na cottage. Wala mga cottages. 330. Pila ang cottages ako? 3? Magkano pila gani ko? 300?
330 ma'am.
330. Okay, salamat. Everything yellow will be replaced with something better. That's right. Perfect. Her packages is 330.
Lalim day. Tak. Lalim. Vlogger.
And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can support me also by sending PayPal. And see you again next time, and loves you.